What's up, guys? Time for another update on the truck, but before we do that, I got a little package that I wanted to open on camera. He asked me if I would, so here we go. So I received a care package from my buddy Rob. He actually started out as a viewer on this channel, and then since then he and I have actually become good friends, good long distance friends, I suppose. He's out in San Jose, California, and he and his daughters Annalisa and Serafina sent me this package, and he told me what's in it, but I haven't seen it yet. And I figured since he and I have become friends via this channel, I might as well open it on camera. So he informed me what he was sending me, but I haven't seen it, and I'm in desperate need of it too, especially now because I'm at that stage working on the interior. So we have in here there's a Mylar balloon on the top. I'll have to show you this. Believe in unicorns. I'm guessing that's an Annalisa or Serafina touch there. But very cool. I hope I'm saying your name right. Serafina. It looks like Serafina. That's a really cool name. So let's get this out here. It is round. Believe in unicorns. Absolutely. I'm going to be careful with this because I think I need to hang this up somewhere in here. And then just have people wonder when they see it, when they come over and they see it. You really packed this thing good. Good job, Rob. Oh, we are getting there. Oh, that is amazing. We have here, my steering wheel was obviously shot. Here, I'll go get it. I mean, this thing is probably savable. It's in really bad shape. And it's all cracked down and through here and falling apart and kind of just kind of coming off in my hands a little bit, actually. But this is amazing, and it's got the cool horn ring. I believe that's just a custom cab thing. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. But I love that custom horn ring on these, or that custom looking. It's a custom touch that I really like on these old Ford F100 steering wheels. This thing is in incredible shape. Oh, this is amazing, Rob. This is gonna be fantastic. And the way that the horn ring is in here too, a lot of these will be all off kilter and all messed up and everything. No, this is amazing, Rob. Thank you so much, brother. I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm gonna get this stripped down, sanded, painted to match, and installed. For now, it's going on the wall along with the Believe in Unicorns. Yeah, Believe in Unicorns. And thanks again, brother. I really appreciate it. And thank you, Serafina and Annalisa. Appreciate it so much. All right, we're about to bid on this 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Listed not too far from me. 1 minute, 59 seconds to go. The bid is currently at $1,050. I am logged in, and I plan to bid this thing up. Let's see how this goes. We are currently the highest bidder. Now there's 3 minutes. They tagged on an extra 3 minutes because that's how it goes. If it gets a bid within the last 3 minutes of the auction, they add another 3 minutes to wait for the next person. And then if they bid, it adds another 3 minutes. Kind of annoying, but it is what it is on govdeals.com. But things are looking good so far. Buyer's premium of 7.5. That's all right. That's not too bad. We got 21 seconds to go. We are in the lead. Oh, man. So long as there's been 25 bids. So long as nobody else bids, this is ours within 9 seconds, 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 second. We won it. We got ourselves a Crown Victoria 2008 Police Interceptor. Start of a new project. Here she is in all her glory. We have brought her home. It's got the wonderful flaking paint, and it's pretty rough inside. It's cool. I actually get a Iowa official license plate. But yeah, this was just taken out of service. It runs and drives amazingly well. It's actually the best running and driving Vic that I've actually ever driven. Kind of jealous. It was definitely well taken care of, for sure. But this one is going to be a build for a very good buddy of mine. He has hired me to do a swap on the unibody outside. I'll show you. Of course, lovely Iowa winter. I got another Vic here that actually I'll be selling. I was going to use this Vic for the project, but decided I'm going to use the other one. But some of you may remember this unibody that I had. This will be what we're going to be putting on that frame. Okay, time for a little walk around of the truck and what's new. I got the carpet installed. It is very dirty right now. Got that cool steering wheel from Rob painted and installed there. Got the headliner installed. And yeah, we're just waiting on the seat. Gonna get the seat upholstered coming up this spring. He's got an opening in spring, so be able to get that seat taken care of. Get that upholstered and looking good. And then I have been talking to a carpenter about what we want to do with the bed. I'd like to do a wood bed, but one that I can still use regularly. Somebody asked me how I did the lettering on the tailgate. Actually, what I did was I painted the tailgate, or this area of the tailgate, Wimbledon white, and then I did clear coat. Then I roughed up the clear coat and painted the whole thing the Dove blue, and then just wet sanded back through the Dove blue to the clear coat of the Wimbledon white. And that way the clear coat kind of let me protect the Wimbledon white. And then once that was done, wet sanded it back. Once it was done, sprayed it in clear coat from there. The way it was done from the factory was kind of like a hard rubber roller from what I understand. And I tried different rollers and it was not working. So I found just painting it Wimbledon white and then wet sanding it back looked the most authentic, because the raised area still retains the blue like the factory look. The paint job really did come out great. I'm kind of surprised. My first actual paint job, and in a garage without a paint booth or really anything really fancy. All the door rubber seals and everything are all replaced. And listen to this. Such a satisfying sound. Yes, there's sound deadening as well inside the doors and underneath the headliner there. So that helps. But yes, very satisfying sound. Need to do something about these wheels and tires. I don't like them. I'm going to do something else. What I want to do is carry the white from the Ford lettering on the tailgate, the white from the front end around to the side, and do big white wall tires. Gonna go with the Diamondbacks. Hear a lot of good things. Don't think I'm gonna do the Auburns, but more of the street style white walls that they have just for drivability, but need to pick out what kind of rims I wanna do. As you know, there's limited rim options, but I'll figure something out. I'm still thinking on what I wanna do there. But definitely wanna run white walls, carry the white around to the side of the truck as well. But overall, I'm very excited. It's the dead of winter and I can't drive it, which is a shame. I want to drive it very badly, but again, still need to get the upholstery done, need to get the windows roped in and the bed taken care of before I can really start enjoying it. And that's fine. Both those guys are booked up till about spring, so no big deal. At least they're booked up till spring. If this thing was completely done and road ready and I couldn't do anything then, that would drive me a little bit nuts, waiting for spring to come and the salt to get off the roads. Well, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on everything that's been going on and show you the new project, what's gonna be going down. Let me know if you guys wanna see that as in detailed as the other one. To me, it sounds like it'd be a little repetitive, but maybe I'll just do highlights of it. It's just gonna be the same exact thing, keeping the original dash, everything like that. But yeah, guys, if you wanna see that, let me know. And as always, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.